belly dance, but with a little bit of a fitness twist, a little pep in the step, okay? So all beginner, but we're gonna move. You need some sort of object, whether it be a cane, an umbrella, one of these rollers, something that's not heavy, that's very light, that, you know, could be kind of like a broom. A broom might be a little too long, but something very light. Okay, I want everyone to have. All right, and then, my cuties at home, most likely you won't have a hula hoop, but you are going to imagine that you are standing on a hula hoop. I mean, we don't have these, right? Who has one of these? Oh, sure, Portia. Let me just go to the side and go get a hula hoop. We'll be doing some movements inside. Girls at home, imagine you're standing, okay, inside of a hula hoop. You see it. You can imagine it, right? All right. So that's the equipment we need today. And we're going to reinforce some of our movements, our figure eights, okay, our hip drops, and we're going to use some of this equipment to help us with our posture. All right. We're going to use this equipment to help us obtain optimal posture. And this takes time. It's not something that might happen in one session. However, with time and with comprehension and understanding, it can happen, and it can help you elongate your spine, improve your posture, and basically feel better. Okay? So let's do it. All right, we've got some music. First things first, grab your device. Grab your device. Could be a cane, could be a roller. If you have a hula hoop, you're standing in the middle. If you don't, you're pretending you're standing in the middle. Now bring this down. Feet are below your hips, the joint. Okay? Soften the knees. Tuck the tailbone. Lift the chest. Lift the shoulders up. Roll back and down. Feel those shoulder blades down. Chin in neutral alignment. Don't jot your neck forward. Don't bring it down. Nice and neutral. Bring the arms up. Pull the belly button tight and strong. Feel that stretch already. Relax the shoulders, Millie. So if you're here, no good. Relax. Slide. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Without doing this. 1, 2. Good. Bring it down. Keep the slide. Breathe. 4, 3, 2. Figure eight. Figure eight. 1, 2. Figure eight. Horizontal, outward on the floor. Knees are soft. Arms, bring them up, up. Remember to pull that belly button in. Keep your triangle, your lower abdominal wall, activated. Control the knees. Control the knees. Be careful of the knees straightening and bending. I want smooth. Smooth operator. Remember that one? 4, 3, 2. Bring it down, side to side. Good. This is just a rest position, if you will. And lower down. Good. Chest is up. Beautiful. 4, 3. Gonna change it. 2. Hold it center, please. Forward for 2. Back for 2. I'm gonna show you what it looks like from the side. Back. Think about weight in the toes. Knees are soft. Weight in the heels. Knees are soft. Tailbone is tucked each time. So what does that mean? I keep my tailbone under. This is what I don't do. Okay, so sticking it out, keep it in. Now forward and back, single. Forward, back, make it smaller. Arms, up, 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 raise it up, lengthen. Feel that stretch in your back. Notice the upper body should not be doing this. What's moving is your lower body, not the upper body, and you can really see that. Last 4, 3, 2, listen up to the side, slide 1, front, side, ready, slide it 4, 3, 2, connect the dots, circle forward, back. Ooh, you feel that stretch in your back? Do you? No one's talking. I'm assuming yes. I feel it. Bring it down. Rest. 4. Back and sides. Good. You want to feel this. If not, our posture's not correct. You should feel those muscles activated. That's the whole point. Hold it. Other way. Switch direction. Slowly roll it up. Bring it up. Lengthen. Beautiful. Here's 4. So this shouldn't be moving all over. Look, it's solid. 3, 2. And look, you're tracing your hula hoop. Are you tracing your hula hoop? Good. Last time. Down. Last one. And rest. Good. Feet a little closer. Legs straight. Shimmy. Tighten that belly. Chest is up, shoulders down. Pump. Bring the arms up. Hold. We go 8, 7. Relax the jaw. Relax the shoulders. Long arms, but relax shoulders. Here's 4, 3, 2. Bring it down. Yep. Chest up, chest up. Last 4, 3, 2. That's it. And hold. Check me out. Soften. Tuck, lift, roll. Arms. Slide. 1, super small. Feet are closer now. 4, 3, 2. Figure 8, figure 8. 1, 2. Smaller. Draw that figure 8 inside of your hula hoop. Down, down, down. Catch your breath. Chest up. That doesn't mean we bring the chest down. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Long arms. Yep, you can hold the... That's it, Kativan. I'm looking for long elbows. Long arms. Good, Sam. Yes, there you go. 1. Long arms, cutie. They're going to work. They're going to work. You're going to say, but I'm tired. Yes. On purpose to help those muscles elongate. Slow, Miss Kativan. Check me out. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Give me your best. Show me your best. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and shimmy down. Wow, relax it here. Shimmy. Woo! You should feel elongated. You might be a little sore tomorrow if you haven't done this kind of work in a little while. It's good for us. Let's finish up. No more shimmy. Heels kiss. Grab your item, your object. Arms up. The entire time that core is strong. You see my spine? Am I here? Nope. Am I here? Nope. Am I here? We have to work. Right foot in the front, left foot in Miami. We're here. Boom. Squeeze the inner thighs. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. High heel shoe. Squeeze. Don't open. Squeeze. High heel shoe. Squeeze. Bring that foot slightly in front. Slightly in front. Hip drop. Down. Up. Drop. Lift. Drop. Lift. Last time. Change. Shimmy. Woo! Let them hang. Let the blood return. Returning to earth. Returning to earth. Good. Other side. Heels. Boom. Squeeze. Bring it up. Sit down. Slide down a wall. Up. It's so subtle. Look at me from the side. High heel shoe. Down. Squeeze your inner thighs. Down. Make sure this is not happening. Now, drop, lift, drop, lift. 4, 3, 2, and rest. Shimmy down. Chest up, shoulder blades down. Listen up. Here's 8, 7, you can do it. 6, we're improving our technique now in our posture. That's it, good. Yep, chest up. I saw you guys fix it. Last time, rest. Stay here. Heels kiss. Shoulder blades down. Arms in front, elbows long. Check me out. Up, roll back. Down, up, roll back. Go slow. This is tricky. Bring the arms up a little. Ooh, without doing this. Roll the shoulders back. The up is easy. The back is tricky. Lift a little higher. You don't even have to hold anything, but holding it really helps you see if you're doing it right. You can't get away. Arms all the way up. Lift, roll down. Now up, down. Shoulder blades up, shoulder blades down. Shoulder blades up, shoulder blades down. Shoulder blades, not this. Not this. Here's 4, hang in there. 3, pull them down. 2, last time, and rest. We're done with this one. You out. Shake it. Carmen's like, I'm never coming back. Carmen's like, I'm never coming back. All right. Stay with your circle, whether it's imaginary or not. Feet parallel. We're going to do it again, but now you've been stretched. Have you ever done a yoga class? And then you go shopping after to the food store or whatever, and you're like, oh, wow, I can really reach. Or whatever. Oh, I'm going to bet, right? You're like, oh, I'm so limber. You should feel like that now. We're going to do all the moves we did again, and you should feel, oh, yeah, I'm a little more flexible, okay? The point is to get us to be that way every day in our regular life. That's the whole point, all right? Heels kiss, slide, squeeze, plie, releve, tuck, lift, roll. Check me out. Lift it all the way up. Up, shoulder down, long arm, just like you were holding, yeah? Bring it a little closer, frame. Drop. Should be easier now. By the way, you all look great. I can tell that we've worked. Opening up. Heels down, heel down, arms, boom. Make sure you don't open. Good. Kativan, put that heel down. Now really work. 4, 3, 2, chest up. Feel your chest hold you up. As you're pumping down, feel your chest be the actual body part that holds you up. And rest. Shimmy, shake it all out. Trying to help you understand and connect, all right, with how the body works and how we can use different body parts to support others. Heels kiss. Boom. Squeeze, touch, tuck, lift, roll, bring that arm up, lift it up, shoulder blade back down, frame, drop, drop, drop. Yeah, good. Make sure you squeeze inner thighs as well. Now heel down, arms, drop. Make sure you don't open here. Squeeze it, here's 4 and 3, work it, 2, last time, arm down, just feel that, lift your chest, keep the hip, drop your chest, go bad, do it wrong, do it, yeah, do it wrong, do it all sloppy, now fix it, right here, Kativan. Bring that foot slight. There, I need Egyptianness. There you go. Did you feel that? If I made you do it all, you might have said, ew, I don't like how I feel. That's good. Shimmy. That's good. That means I've taught you well. Okay, inhale. The idea is get to feel what it feels like to do the move. You know when you write your name in cursive or whatever, you can write it in the dark if I gave you a pen, right? Sign your autograph. You could sign without seeing because we've done it so much. You know what? Your firma. You know the feeling. You know your brain knows the feeling. The brain knows the feeling. You do it enough, the brain knows the feeling. The brain knows the feeling. And you see what I'm saying? So that's where we're at. Okay, let's stretch. Kick them to the curb. I hope that was enjoyable. Go, it's okay. I know you always have to go. My little Egyptians, there's a little Egyptian clan on Fridays here. I love it. Yay! All right, open it up. Good. You may be sore tomorrow. You may not. If you are, it's a sign. Hug yourself. Stretch. It's a sign that you helped your body improve. Okay? Yeah. And switch. Other arm in front. Grab the shoulder blades. Push down. All right. Inhale. Look, you should be able to reach further now. Can you? Do you feel like a little bit more flexible? I do. I think you should. You do. Yeah. Stay here. Stretch. Wait, we already did this like a million times. We did. It should feel good. Feels good, girls. Yes. One more time. Come center. Roll it down. Good. A nice release and reset of the spine. Roll it up. Cross the arms. Lift up and down. Let's do that again. Roll it down. Good stuff. Inhale on the way down. Exhale on the way up. Beautiful. Walk the feet together. Sit. Push the hip gentle out to the side. And just do your best to sit into your hip and feel your glutes stretch. Feel your butt stretch. Like sit into it. Other side. Gentle. But natural. It's very natural to kind of sit. Yeah? Little glute. Just, you can even rub it if you want. If you're getting sciatica, rub yourself. Release this tension. Come center. Check it out. Curl, 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 and relax. Let's do it again. Curl, 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 and relax. One more time. Now you're going to roll it all the way up. Up, up, tight tummy muscles. Lift the chest, lift the arms, lift the head. Beautiful. Yes. Roll it back. Beautiful. Let's finish. Last two stretches and we're done. Lunge back, palm up, cross hook, point that shoulder down. Wrist circles. Beautiful. And release. Inhale, balance. Up, lift up. Over. And return. Beautiful. Center. Switch, lunge, arm up, palm up, cross hook. Point the shoulder down. Good. Nice. Super proud of you. That was good. That was good. Using all sorts of stuff to help us tap into our bodies, which is part of learning, right? Inhale. Good workout too. Up and over. And return. Good. Come together. Roll down. Roll it up. All right. Take a deep breath. Hug yourself. Good job. You survived. We all survived. We did it together.